Stop being so selfish. You're so selfish. Am I? Well, you're selfish too. Why? What do I do? What part of the day you spent thinking about yourself? Me. So what do you want from me? I just want to know what your commitment is. What are you talking about? What are you committed to doing? Committed to logging into the internet, looking at your phone, spending time about your needs, your interests, you, me. What's going to get you out of that? Well, some sort of commitment with some level of accountability. So you found that here. I thought this was like an art thing. Yeah, it is an art thing. Now, it's virtual, it's online, so what are you going to commit to? Well, what are you talking about? I don't know, that's up for you to come up with. Are you going to commit to reaching out to people in this community? Are you going to commit to making phone calls in real life, meetups? Are you going to commit to making a certain amount of art by a certain amount of time? Hard commitments, and then writing them here, announcing it to the whole group, broadcasting it, and then asking us to keep you accountable to that. If you're going to say you're going to do it, then do it. And those commitments will keep you out of selfishness and bring you to selflessness. Is that a word? Selflessness?